So I'm going to show you guys what the Koreans and Asians use to have a glassy face. So this is rice, and we're going to come up with rice water. I'm going to show you how you can use rice water as your cleanser, as your toner. I mean, I will show you how to use rice water for your glassy face. So if you're suffering from acne, or if you want to have that glassy look, you wonder why Asians have this glassy face. I have lived with Chinese people, and I can tell you how amazing the skins are. So let's go. So first of all, you're going to need your rice. You can just get a cup of rice. Yeah, depending on the quantity you want to make. Okay, because we want everything fresh and looking good. We don't want something that won't be able to last for. We don't want it to last for days. So first of all, you start with rice. So this is a cup of rice, and yeah, first you wash it. So I just want to show you guys the process, right? So I already like wash it for the first time. First you wash it. So let's just do the washing here. So you have to strain it for the first time and make sure that you send away all the bacteria, right? And the second one is here. So you can see how this water is. So you go ahead, make sure you squeeze and squeeze the rice as it is here. Yes. So I'm gonna please close this fish well. So I'm gonna pour this water again. And so let's go ahead with the last one. Yeah. So you see, and here we are. Yes. I don't want your fish to show here. Emily staring. Okay. So normally some people decide to blend it, but I don't want to blend it since I just want to use the water for now. So let's go. I love the fact that it's being soaked. So what I'll do is I'll soak this in overnight. So you can leave it for like 6 to 7 hours. That's okay. For like 6 to 7 hours, and then I'm gonna add some clothes in here. Ooh, clothes. Yeah. So let's go. Floating. So add some clothes. Remember, you need to have your spray bottle. So go ahead and yeah. So you got no before applying it to my spray bottle. So let's go. No, don't send your face here. Can you please go down? Yes, you can see it without touching anything, right? Why you put it in the powder pot? So you want to put everything. Yeah, Estella, you're blocking the lights from this. You're blocking the lights. Sorry. Whoa. Be careful. Sorry. So let's go ahead and put this in here. Shh. So I'm going to top this up because I want it to last for 7 days, and I'll be using it for 7 days just to show you guys. So we have this and this a water bottle. Okay, so we'll leave this one because we're gonna blend. I'm gonna blend this one. Can you not send your face into this video, Estella? Thank you. So this is how. So next thing you want to do is to close it up and shake it. Try to shake. And so next, what you do is you put in your fridge. So let's go. Let's go. So let's go ahead and put it here in the fridge so that everything soaks up so well. So leave it there overnight, okay? It needs to stay fresh. So fam, that's how you come up with your rice water. You can see that if you do not want to soak it overnight or keep it in the fridge just the way I did, then you could steam it. You can see, I know you've actually seen some videos where some people literally just steam it a little bit, they cook it, but we want to go the natural way so that we can gain all the ingredients from that. Okay, we don't want to lose anything from this rice. We want every start from the rice, so I do not want to boil it. So no lose guard. All right, guys. Until then, I will see you as the days go by. I'll later on show you the next process where I'll later on put in my spray bottle and spray on my face. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.